Struggling to pick the right app builder for your next big project? Let's break down an N8N and Flowise to see which one truly reigns supreme. First up, the interface. N8N boasts a node-based workflow that's highly visual and intuitive. Once you get the hang of it, you can drag and drop different nodes to build your app's logic. Flowise offers a similarly visual approach, often favored for its gentler learning curve. Particularly for those new to low-code platforms, the drag and drop interface is slightly different, but feels very user-friendly. Now, integrations. N8N shines with its extensive library of native integrations, connecting to everything from CRMs like Salesforce to marketing platforms like MailChimp. It offers powerful HTTP request nodes for connecting to virtually any API. Flowise focuses heavily on AI integrations, making it a top pick for projects leveraging large language models and similar AI-driven technologies. While it may have slightly fewer known native integrations out of the box, its focus is clear. When it comes to customization, N8N takes the lead. You can create custom nodes with JavaScript, giving you unparalleled flexibility to build exactly what you need. This is great for advanced users. Flowise offers customization primarily through parameter adjustments within its AI integrations, letting you fine-tune model behavior and output. Less code-heavy, but powerful within its niche. Ease of use. Flowise generally wins for simpler projects. N8N, while powerful, can feel overwhelming at first because there's more manual customization required. So, the verdict: if you need heavy-duty integrations, complex logic, and don't mind a steeper learning curve, N8N is your champion. If your project is focused on AI and rapid development with a simpler interface, Flowise is the way to go. Ultimately, the best app builder depends on your unique requirements. Consider your project's scope, your team's skill set, and choose wisely. Good luck app building.